This year's flu strain continues to be a major problem across the country. The CDC reports widespread flu activity in 49 states. Local health officials say the flu epidemic is the worst it has been in the past decade. KSBY News reporter Megan Abundis has new numbers surrounding the flu.
Officials say the flu season is already one of the worst and most costly in years, and we still have several more weeks to go. In the state of California, every region has been affected with widespread elevated influenza activity. Right here locally, San Luis Obispo County has seen 12 flu-related deaths. In Santa Barbara County, 8 deaths, way above expected levels.
I think that we have turned that curve, but we are still at very high levels. This is one of the worst seasons we've ever seen.
Health officials say ambulances and emergency rooms are still busy, but getting back to normal after seeing lines out the waiting room.
We just dodged some counties set up tents outside their hospitals to deal with just flu patients. We came close to that point in this county.
It's really foggy in my head, just hard to focus and just feeling like crap, honestly.
Most people diagnosed with the flu will recover without any lasting problems, but local medical officials are reporting higher than average hospitalizations and emergency room visits for flu-related illnesses. Cal Poly student Nicholas Callender went to the hospital twice for flu-related illnesses.
Started getting diarrhea, started coughing a lot more this morning. What brought me back to the hospital was I was coughing up blood when I first woke up. Started to see I was getting pneumonia in my left lung.
Flu-related deaths are on the rise too. Statewide, 74 people under the age of 64 have died. Locally in San Luis Obispo County, 2 people under the age of 64 have died, with 10 other recorded flu deaths in people 65 and older. In Santa Barbara County, 8 people over the age of 65 have died.
They definitely asked me to wear the mask whenever I went out in public. I'm supposed to be on bed rest, lots of water.
While the vaccine has not been a good match for the flu strain this season, health officials still recommend getting the shot.
I just choose not to get the flu shot. So it's just something I choose not to inject into my body.
We are still in the thick of the flu season, and it is not too late to get a flu vaccine. It is one of the best ways to protect yourself.
To read the entire Influenza Weekly report that just came down today, head to my social media, Megan Abundis News on Facebook, or our website, ksby.com. If you've been sick, tell us about it. How are you fighting to stay healthy? In the studio, Megan Abundis, KSBY News.
And as Cal Poly students are returning to San Luis Obispo for winter quarter, the campus health center there is also anticipating higher than usual flu cases. Students are being strongly encouraged to immunize, wash their hands often, stay home if sick, and wear a mask in the health center.